Hello everyone, welcome to another comparison video between Wordtune versus TextCortex. Which one is a better AI tool and why? Now on the left side we can see that we have Wordtune and on the right side we have TextCortex AI. Now as you can see, rating straight off the bat, we can see that the rating for TextCortex is slightly higher. That means that TextCortex overall and features and everything along with the rating is much better with TextCortex compared to Wordtune. Now, as you can see, this is what you can do with Wordtune. Obviously, you can write, AI writing, you can write compelling contenting writing, you can also check grammar correction, stuff like that. And this is the same that you can do with TextCortex, but TextCortex actually allows you to do all of this within a Google browser, which is awesome. And it's also designed to eliminate writing blocks and hours sitting in front of a blank canvas. So as you can see, this is a great alternative to ChatGPT as well, or Jasper AI, or any AI writing tool. Now let's go down below. Obviously there are no pricing information on Wordtune right here. I would imagine Wordtune is a little bit cheaper than when it comes to TextCortex. TextCortex is at $25 a month per user, as you can see right here. Now obviously TextCortex has free trial. Both of them have free and freemium version, and both of them do not have premium consulting or integration services. Now as far as Wordtune versus TextCortex, I tried both of them. I would say TextCortex is much better in terms of features and overall user experience. I had a great user experience with TextCortex over Wordtune, so I would say it's a much better pick when it comes to that. Now obviously, as you can see, here are some of the best alternatives for TextCortex and Wordtune. Now we can see that Wordtune has Jasper, Grammarly, or Pro Writing Aid. I would definitely say that if you want to use some other tools that are similar, Jasper would be the tool that you can use. Other than that, Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid, I wouldn't recommend those at all. Now when it comes to Wordtune, I would say this is a great tool, definitely. And it's definitely a tool that can go and that can do a lot of stuff for you. But when it comes to TextCortex, I think TextCortex has much more to offer when it comes to, it's integrated with 2000 platforms. Wordtune is not integrated with 2000 platforms, and I don't think it's a good tool just because of that. Now, I'm not saying Wordtune is a bad tool. It's definitely a good tool, but when it comes to TextCortex, you can do a lot more, and it's a lot more customizable as well. It has 2000 plus platforms that you can connect to. You can connect to Google Docs, to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, any other tool out there, and it's definitely something that you cannot do on Wordtune. As you can see, Wordtune is a simple, very simple tool, and TextCortex is a more complex tool. So if I want to go and get more out of my AI experience with writing with AI, I would go and use TextCortex, which is a much better alternative to Wordtune. So that is my opinion on this. Now, if you have any questions or if you think I'm wrong, definitely comment down below. I would love to see your feedback as well, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.